There are three typical ways Magfiler is installed: to a single workstation, to a workstation accessing network data, or to the network itself. For a single workstation install, you put the program in the Programs folder on your local machine. And as a default, your data will be in the Documents folder. The preferred network install is to install Magfiler locally to make sure that all viewers and drivers are installed, and then use the Magfiler utility menu to navigate to where the shared network database is located. If you choose to install Magfiler to your network drive, specify the location during installation. As a default, your data folder will be placed under your installation folder. You can always use the utilities select database command to navigate to any database. It's common practice to put a shortcut on the workstation desktop accessing the magfiler.exe program file. Avoid placing the database where it will be synchronized to cloud file services such as Microsoft OneDrive, Dropbox, or Google Drive. These are great for standard documents but can create data access issues with actual database files, such as the one used by Magfiler. Feel free to contact support at magfiler@spokanecomputer.com if you have any issues installing and running Magfiler.